Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a fade out effect at the end of your videos using the CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already imported a video, and there are two ways that you can do on CapCut to add a fade out effect. The first one is you can just use animations. So click on your videos and go to animation. Here, click on the out category, then just select this fade out. Don't forget to adjust on how much fade out effect or animation that you want to add. For example, I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds. Click on a check icon. So this is the result. Okay, so that's the first way, and the second way is you can just go to effect, video effects, opening and closing, and in here click on the opening and closing category and find the fade out effect, this one. Click on a check icon and you are done. This will be the result. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.